Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you how I organize my notes using OneNote application. As soon as you open the app, you will be directed to this window and you can create a new notebook by clicking on the top right icon, that is plus, and here I have created my notebook as a new notebook. And as soon as I enter into it, there are several sections where we can create according to our requirement. Here I have created GS1, 2, 3, 4 and etc. And after these section pages, we can go about making new pages and sub pages according to our requirement. See, here I have done essay, prelims related content and my sociology notes also. These are all sections. And if we want to make pages by choosing subtopics in that particular paper, we can create it and also make subtopics with subpages. So here I'm entering into GS1. I have geography first, and history and Indian society. In these three sections, I have made further subtopics. For example, geography with physical features and natural resources, earthquake, volcanism, and factors of production, etc. And a few model questions, CA, and in history, I have created art and culture, world history, ancient history, and also medieval. And coming to society, have arranged this according to the syllabus points. First one, features of Indian society, role of women, women's organizations, population associated issues, poverty and development issues, etc. And here at the end, I've also added a new subsection, that is corona related news. So these corona related news is the effects of coronavirus on the Indian society. So here I have also clipped the articles also, newspaper articles, so that we can remember much better. This is one of my current affairs, a screenshot of my daily news simplified news analysis. So I'll also tell you about how I make current affairs notes also. So this is about a woman's safety during the coronavirus times, and how the domestic violence has increased, and what is the effect on the economic position of women, and what is the scale of job loss for women, and different sections of the society. So this is how you can make very organized notes depending on the GS papers, and also subtopics, and also other related subjects. So here I'm moving on to the Windows version of this OneNote, so that we can have a broader look. So this is geography, and in the geography have few sections, as you can see here, and model questions also, and I've done previous year questions also. And yeah, you can see the notes here. So lack of integration of Himalayan region, so have made few points. And then in the physical features, I have a topic dam construction, and here in natural resources, sources, and other things, and earthquake, volcanism, I have this soft copy, have this hard copy note, so I didn't make it. And here in factors of production, I've added plenty of content here, if you can see. So here I have made timber based industries, factors of location, and yeah, you can see here in previous year questions have made a rough model answer, and how we have to cover different angles, and added also few data charts, and also Indian maps and other related content. And coming to model question, these are some few expected areas like fracking process, that is shale gas extraction. So here I have noted down positive impacts, negative impacts, and current affairs, so related to monsoon and any other physical feature, and geographical phenomena. And next, coming to history, I have not made much notes, because I have Spectrum, right? We have Spectrum, and I have a hard copy also, so only current affairs related material are added to these sections. And yeah, here you can see about the parliamentary construction and the Theyyam folk theatre, and about puppetry art form. These are all my current affairs notes. I have added these screenshots from the Daily News Simplified, and yes, you can see, I'll scroll down, and you can how you can arrange this content. See, this is a question about Buddhism and Jainism, and what are the prominent features and differences in painting, sculpture, architecture, and literature. So this is how you can divide your content and organize efficiently. Thank you, guys. I hope you have understood the importance of making online notes, because it saves our time, and also we can organize it in a much better way.